that thing up. Janine Mullen, hearing my
It's
life
all
story.
good.
It's at home with Kirsten. Things are going to happen. Janine brings us great problem solvers. So important to have healthy teeth.
Yes.
You need to be brushing multiple times a day, and your dentist will tell you the best thing for you is sonic cleansing. There's a lot of them out there. Philips is a name that's known and trusted. This is also one that has different levels in it. So if you're somebody who worries about, oh, it's too hard, it's too soft, it's that, this has everything for you. Here at QVC, it's a while supplies last, which means limited time and limited amount of these, and once they're gone, they are gone. You do not need to buy brush heads for a year. You got a year's worth of brush heads in this. You also have the travel case, the charger, and you have the knowledge that this is going to be the best thing for your teeth.
Yeah, I mean, Philips is the gold standard in, brushing your teeth with sonic technology. And, sonic used to be used to clean instruments, medical and dental instruments, diamonds and jewelry, but this is the most valuable thing you can get right here is a healthy smile. And I like, too, that it's a nice, white, bright smile, which, is very attractive.
Very important.
Yes. So, you know what? I want everyone to know that when you get this home, it's going to be fully charged and it's going to stay charged for 3 weeks. When you do need to charge it, I like how small the base is. So it doesn't take up a lot of room, a lot of real estate in your bathroom.
I love that.
Yes, nice and small. And so my whole family uses these, and we're a family of 5. And with that one bathroom, I just keep just the one out. And then whoever needs to charge it, charges it. You'll know that it's time to change the brush head because these bristles are indicating. So the color will run out of the bristles. So when you get this home, just use it right away, and you'll know why people are addicted to the Philips Sonicare Smile. So when you do brush your teeth, you're going to decide. We give you different options here. So the sonic vibration, 31,000 brush strokes a minute, sounds a lot, but please know that it's completely safe for any dental work that you have in your mouth, whether it's fillings or bridges or inlays, onlays, braces. It's completely safe. But we do give you 3 different levels of. We give you the low, medium, and high. And then we give you 2 other options too. We give you the clean option or the whitening option. And that's great because a lot of times what I do is I clean my teeth and then I go back and I put the whitening setting on. So I recommend that to you too because I can't use a lot of whitening agents
it's
on
very
my teeth.
sensitive,
My teeth
right?
are so sensitive.
Yeah, and your gums, the gums especially.
Yes, and so this is stain removal. So with the Diamond Clean Head, after you brush your teeth for about 2 weeks, twice a day, you will notice that your teeth are naturally whiter, and I love that.
Let's talk about what you're saying because this is a really remarkable value. What we did with Philips is that they gave us their best price, and then we said, could you go lower? And they did, but for a limited time and a limited amount of these. And once they're gone, that's it. In fact, this is about half price. $99.96 for just the toothbrush, and then you get extra heads along with it for $37.63, giving you a year's worth of brush heads. If sold separately as $137.59, that's just about half price. Our while supplies last is $79.98. Free shipping and handling saves you $3 and 5 easy payments of $16. So you have all of your toothbrush needs for a year. You might as well spend the next 5 months paying for it, just $16 a month. If you want different family members to use it, you can switch out the brush heads, but at this price, with the easy pay and the free shipping and handling, I would just get multiples.
Yes, because it's good for you and it's good for those that you love. There's nothing more embarrassing that when you go to the dentist and the dentist is like, are you flossing? Are you brushing your teeth? This kind of takes a little bit of the anxiety away. And the reason why they recommend it is because there's actually a motor in the handle of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. A motor similar to what's used on you when you go get a professional cleaning in the operatory. Also, the bristles are also patented by Philips. The placement's very important. It's placed that way specifically to get off the tartar on your teeth and for stain removal. So when you get this home, like I said, please use it right away. Decide your setting. You can do low, medium,
which is different than some of the others. Their thumbs are all just one level.
Yes. And you can use the clean setting or the whitening setting. That's up to you. But put this in your mouth, and it's going to turn it on, and it's going to pause when it wants you to go to a different quadrant. So you do not have to go like this anymore to brush your teeth. 31,000 brush strokes a minute, it's doing it for you. So you just very slowly move it along your teeth. It will pause when it wants you to go to another quadrant. Move to the other quadrant. We want you to do this at least twice a day. There's a 2-minute timer on here. We want you to brush did you hear that pause?
I know.
We want you to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. And let me
Twice
show
a
you,
day.
Twice a day at least.
My little brother, who's 24, 3 years ago, I went over to their house and he had a sticky note on the window, on his mirror, in his bathroom, and it said, remember to brush your teeth twice a day. I said, You're 22 years old, and there's a sticky note reminding you. I laughed a lot. I'm going to tell that story at his wedding.
Whatever it takes to get a clean, healthy smile.
But this is also, you should be brushing for 2 minutes. That's the thing I try to impart on my children, because they're like, I'm done. I'm like, no, you're not. Get back in there.
But you know what, Kirsten, I'm guilty of that too, because I'm always in a fire drill, like, oh, I have to get to work, oh, I have to pick up the kids. So me just knowing that it's going to turn off after 2 minutes is helpful to me, so I'm a little bit to blame. But I just want to show everybody, I have a glass of water here, and with a regular toothbrush, on the outside of this glass of water, this is the effect that it's having to the water. Now, the reason why we say that sonic technology is such a great way to clean your teeth is it can actually fight the plaques on your teeth that the bristles aren't even touching. So if you run this along your gum line, think about how you're fighting germs and bacteria that, you know, on your gums and your teeth. So that's the difference, and that's why we say it's so wonderful, and that's why so many dentists recommend it, because really, I always say it's also a scheduling thing. You know, they have X amount of patients that they need to see in a day, and if they're scraping your teeth for far too long, you know, it's not good for their little schedule either. So they have an invested interest in your health.
This is you walking out of the dentist feeling much better, or not having to go in feeling nervous. This is a very, very easy, reasonable purchase. Free shipping and handling for you today. 5 easy payments of $16. While supplies last means limited time and limited amount of these, and once they're gone, they're gone. It's a whole year's worth of brush heads, plus you get the travel case along with it as well. Janine, thank you for being here.
And you have a beautiful smile.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you. In less than 10 minutes, we're going to show you how to get results like this, just like Courtney did. This is one of the products that I use every single day, at least 5 days a week. People always ask me, do you really use this? I do really use this. This is the Flex Belt. This is FDA cleared for abdominal toning of your stomach area. It's amazing what this can do. We've got a great price for you on this as well. And while you're at it, you could even do it along with this. Do you have one of these? Do you have a paddleboard? You don't? Mike Reinke and I